Hey guys, so we got the Heisler on the track, and now we're just doing a little bit more breaking in. And she's running really nice. I gotta run super slow speed, no issue. Let's see if we can get those gears under there. Yeah, you see them spinning? See those drive shafts? Look at them. See the pistons operating? So we got the pistons, we got the drive shafts spinning. This is it's a nice little Heisler. And the River Rossi HO 3 truck Heisler. I like it. Great addition to my collection. We're gonna try her out now and forward. Oh, look at those gears. I love it. Let's see. Let's zoom in on the gears. Nice. Nice. Heisler backing up.